How to delete all of your messages on Facebook Messenger. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete all your messages on Facebook Messenger. So if your inbox is cluttered with old chats you don't need anymore, follow along step by step and I'll show you how to clear it out. Alright, let's get started. First, open up the Messenger app on your phone. Now pick any chat you'd like to remove. Tap and hold on it, then select Delete. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Just tap Delete again, and that conversation is gone. At the bottom, you'll notice a message that says Chat Deleted, along with an option to delete more. Go ahead and tap that if you want to remove multiple chats at once. From here, you can simply tap on all the conversations you'd like to get rid of. Now, if you want to clear everything in one go, look at the top right corner of your screen and tap the three dots. Then Select All. This will highlight every single chat in your inbox. Once you've selected the chats you want deleted, tap on the trash can icon at the top. You'll get one last confirmation asking if you're sure. Just hit Delete again, and all those conversations will be wiped away. And that's it. Your Messenger inbox should now be completely cleared out.